Hi besties, welcome back to Beautiful Journey Skincare, where we talk about everything skincare and I give you non-stop skincare content. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about the two previous videos I did about Fair and White Gold. Now I did the one for people that want to lighten their skin, that is how to lighten your skin using Fair and White Gold, and I did the one for people who just want to glow their skin and brighten their skin, which is the one that is titled how to glow your skin with Fair and White Gold. Now a lot of you had a lot of questions which I am going to be addressing in this video. I'm also going to be telling you another way you can use those two products to actually get faster results and basically just answer all your questions. So the questions we're going to be tackling today, okay, that a lot of you asked are: can sensitive skin use these two products? Can it be used on the face? Is it safe using it daily? Can I start from stage 2? How to use it on the face, how to get best results, and personally I am now going to tell you a better way to use those two products to get faster results for your skin. So that's everything we're going to be talking about today and everything in between. So please, if you saw those two videos, this particular one is very important for you to see if you want to use those two products. Okay, thank you for clicking today's own, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up at the end when you're done. Subscribe to the channel if you're not. Leave a comment if you have more questions concerning this topic or any other thing concerning skincare. I am always here for you 247. So we are going to be starting from the first question I have on my book here, which is: can a sensitive skin use these two products? Because the stage 1, that is if you actually watch that video, the stage 1 is an exfoliating body lotion, and it contains the exfoliant it contains is glycolic acid. Now glycolic acid is suitable for all skin types depending on the percentage contained in the particular product. Okay, so for this particular Fair and White, this particular brand did not specify how many percentage of this glycolic acid is in their lotion, but I have used this particular lotion and I am sensitive skinned, and I have other people that have used this lotion and it did not irritate their skin. The only thing is you just need to use it well. I'm going to tell you how to use it. Okay, in that video I said you can use it every day, and yes, I was right. You can use that lotion every single day, but not in the daytime. Okay, we are going to get to that later. So that's it. Is if you have sensitive skin and you want to try out that routine, you can use this. You can use it. It is not going to irritate your skin. It is not going to do anything to your skin. Once you use it with the soap and everything I told you to use it with in that particular video, okay, it is only going to irritate your skin if you go and pair it with something else. So this particular body lotion is suitable for someone with sensitive skin. If it wasn't, it would have been stated on the bottle. Fair and White is not a small brand. It is not a small company. It is a brand that has been here for over 20 years. So if any of their lotions is sensitive or contains a particular high amount of an ingredient, it is going to be stated. But since it is not stated, that means you can use it. Okay, so that's the answer for that. So someone else asked that she has green veins, she has red patches on her body, she has stretch marks, she has sensitive skin. Can she use this particular product? Now, that you have all these things in your body doesn't actually mean that you have sensitive skin. A lot of people don't actually know what it means to have sensitive skin. Okay, if you have green veins on your body, it means that your skin is thinning out. If you're having red patches on your body, it means that you are using something that is irritating your skin. And if you have stretch marks can be as a result of different things: childbirth, being overweight, basically, and some creams can give you stretch mark. So that doesn't mean that you have sensitive skin. It can be that you have used some products in the past that actually cost you these things. So if you are that person and you want to use this product, the first yes I'm going to give you is that yes, this particular routine can be suitable for you, because one, exfoliating body lotions are good for stretch marks because it is going to help to exfoliate the dead skin cells and everything and help that stretch marks to fade away gradually. But if you're having green veins and all of that, I wouldn't really advise you to use an exfoliating lotion or even try to lighten your skin more, because you are going to be destroying your skin on the long run. Okay, so that is answer I have for you. If your skin is damaged already, then the routine you should be looking out for is a repair routine, a body repair routine, and not a brightening and a lightening routine. That's just the truth. You all know that on this channel I am brutal with my truth, and I'm going to tell you as it is, because I want to help you with your skin. So if you're that person and you're watching this video, please change your routine to a body repair routine. I have a lot on my channel. Scroll down and you're going to see how to repair damaged skin, body lotions you need, body oils you need to repair your skin. Then when you're done repairing your skin, you look at your skin, the green veins have faded away, the stretch marks have like they started fading, the redness has reduced. Okay, then you can now start lightening or brightening or glowing or doing any other thing you want to do. Then over to the next question. Now, over to the next question, which is, what are we going to use to brighten our face? What are we going to use to lighten our face, since this is for the body? Okay, remember that routine is two. You have the lightening on, you have the brightening on. Now, those two body lotions or the whole routine, you are going to use it on your face. I'm going to tell you how to use it on your face. Okay, you are going to use it on your face. I'm going to give you my reason. Now, my reason is very simple. For you to get an even skin tone on your face and on your body, okay, it is easier to use a particular product to achieve that. Then when you have achieved that even skin tone on your body and on your face, you can now step out ahead, okay, to now look for a face cream that is going to help you to maintain that particular complexion you have gotten, or lighten it more if you are going ahead to lighten your body. But for starters, it is advised by me to use a particular lotion. If not, you are going to have the challenge of your face is getting fairer, your body is not catching up, or your body is getting fairer and your face is not catching up. Now, Fair and White is a brand that can be used on the face and on the body. I have used Fair and White for years. I have somebody that I know that have been using Fair and White since I was a kid till now. The person is elderly, still uses, that's the only cream he uses. Do you get? And he's on his face and his body, and nothing is wrong with him. Okay, I know it's important to use a face cream and all of that, but when you want to achieve a goal, you can break some protocol to actually get a particular result you want, and that's what we are doing here. So you're going to use it on your face, so you're going to get an even skin tone. So as you're exfoliating your body, you are exfoliating your face. As if it's for lightening, as you have entered the lightening phase for your body, you have entered the lightening phase for your face. So when you have gotten the results you want, then you can now step out to look for a face cream, a face serum, and all of those things for your face, and then either continue the routine for your body or change it as the case may be. Now, how do you use these things on your face? Remember, now, how to use a bad body lotion on your face and not get reaction or breakout and all of those things is to use them in very tiny quantity. After rubbing your body, okay, with that same palm, apply that lotion on your face. You don't go and take another body lotion and put it on your palm. That is going to be too much, because the lotion is basically made for your body, so it has a thick consistency. This can be different for people with extreme dry skin, okay, which I know a lot of people don't really have extreme dry skin. So after applying your body, if your hands are dried out, just a pea, like a drop, is okay. Use it on your face. Okay, use it on your face. That is the best way to use your body lotion on your face, and over time you're going to see that you're going to have an even skin tone. If you try to use this routine with your face product you're already using, you are going to find out that you are not going to have even skin tone. It's either this place is fairer, or this place is darker, or this place is darker, or this place is fairer. Okay, so once you are in that routine that I have given from now till December, use these products on your face. You can go ahead with your facial cleanser. It doesn't stop your facial cleanser, it doesn't stop your facial toner, it doesn't stop your facial serum. But after all of those things, let that cream be the cream you use on your face. So you are going to be attaining the same result for your face and for your body. Okay, so I've answered that. Now the next question is, can I start from stage 2? You see how I've looked at it 2 times now that I've read this thing out. Can you start from stage 2? Well, no, you cannot start from stage 2, and I'm going to tell you why. Now, to explain why to you, I'm going to actually explain it with giving you the benefits of glycolic acid. Now, glycolic acid is an AHA, which is it is an exfoliating ingredient. It is going to help to exfoliate your skin. It is going to help to lighten dark spots and hyperpigmentation on your body. Glycolic acid also has anti-aging properties in it. That is, if you're using any product that contains glycolic acid, it is going to help to slow down the appearance of aging signs on your body. It is going to help to smoothen your skin. It is going to help to remove dead skin cells. It is going to help to reveal a brighter, glowing skin. So, I mean, after hearing all of these things, why would you want to skip that and move to stage 2 to just brightening? Because if really your skin is okay and does not need all of these things I have mentioned, then you shouldn't be watching this video. That means your skin is perfect. Okay, that stage 1 is what is going to help you with knuckles, is what is going to help you with dark elbows, dark knees, stretch marks, any hyperpigmentation on your body, any dark spots on your body, any scars on your body, anything that looks like pigmentation on your body. If you have your skin is not very smooth, okay, it is going to help to smoothen out your skin. Now, there is no bright skin, there is no fair skin that looks good in the eye without exfoliation. You cannot skip exfoliation. You need to start from that stage 1, okay, before you enter the stage 2. But I'm still going to give you a way to use another way to use these products, okay, for people that don't really have patience, you want quick results. Okay, I'm going to give you another way to use it for faster results. So, but I've answered that question. Please don't jump step 1. If you jump to step 2, you might not like the results you are going to get. Your skin is going to get brighter, but that effect of that deep exfoliation is not going to be there, and that is going to be the difference between you watching me now and the person that actually followed the full step. So that is the answer to that. So now, another way to use this routine that I gave for faster results is to use them together. I'm not going to go into into details of what I said in the other video. So if you haven't seen that video, please go and see it. So now, another way to use it is you use the stage 1 in the evening, in the night, and you use the stage 2 in the daytime. Use the stage 1 in the evening, which is exfoliating routine, okay, which comprises of body lotion, body oil, or body serum, whichever one, and a shower gel. Okay, use that routine for night and use the brightening routine for day. If you are watching this video and you watch the one for lightening skin, then use the lightening skin on in the morning. But what I want to say is, if you are using this routine, whether this method or the first method I described in the previous videos, sun protection is very important. Okay, use your sunscreen. Whether you use your body sunscreen or you just wear a covered cloth, protect your skin from the sun. Okay, I didn't really loud it in that other video, but I am louding it in this one. If you're going to use this product and you want it to work for you, please protect yourself from the sun. Do not wear open clothes. If you're going to wear open clothes out and you know that you're going to spend so much time under the sun, please use your sunscreen and always reapply your sunscreen. For me, a lot of you have been asking in my routines, I don't use sunscreen, I don't show when I'm using sunscreen. That is because for now, I am not using any sunscreen. I am using my manual sun protection, which is wearing covered clothes when I'm going out, either with my umbrella, my face cap, my shades. Cover yourself and protect yourself from the sun. That is the easiest way to use this product and get maximum result. So that is everything I have for you in today's video. I have answered all the questions. If you still have more, bring it on. I'm going to answer you in the comment section. I believe I've answered every question. So let this be a guide to you that have seen the other videos. And if you have not seen them, please go see them because it's important. Okay, so you know the products I'm talking about and everything, you are going to understand this. So that's all for today. I hope I delivered. Let me know in the comment section if I actually delivered. All right. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching to this point, and I'm going to see you on our next one.